Yeah, now I feel very good, because the calls and the message I'm having from Ghana, it has really made me happy, and I'm proud of myself, and I thank God for how far He has brought me, because it's not easy, it's not easy to score against a big team like Real Madrid. So I'm really happy. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think when I came, I had some difficulties too, because it's really difficult to adapt. When you come first in La Liga, because it's one of the biggest league in the world. So always the coach talk to me. I need time. So I'm a player who, like, I don't like to complain a lot if I play or I don't play. I just keep working hard. So now I think I'm used to how they play. So I'm really happy, and I hope I'll get a lot of chance to take part in the games. Yeah. Yeah, against Valencia, it's really gonna be a tough game, because it's like a derby. It's a derby game, and for what we did against Real Madrid, if we play the same game, or we play more than that, I think we will win, and I believe we can win against Valencia, because with the determination we played against Real Madrid, I think we can win against Valencia. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. For me, I believe you will stay in first division, because I never put my head down. I always look up. As a player, you always need to think positive, and I believe in my teammates, what we can do, because in training, how we determine, how we train together, we do everything together as a family. I believe we with this we will maintain the first league.